What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Ford Fusion remote key fob. This Ford Fusion key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do in order to replace this battery is grab my key fob, and I'm going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if I hold the key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, we see there's this slot right here that the end of my key's on. What I'm going to do is push the key in that slot like this. Push it in there, make sure it's all the way pushed in. Then I'm going to angle the key up like this and push up on this back cover. And it can take a good amount of pressure to pop that off of there. But once we get the cover off, we can see our battery right here. For this part, I'm going to grab a small screwdriver or even something like with a point on it. You just want it to fit in this notch right here. Get in that notch and you can get under the battery and pop it out of that holder. So we get the old battery out, we'll grab the new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, the positive side up. So what I'm going to do is put the battery in and I'm going to tuck that outer edge in first like that. Then snap it down into place. Then we'll put the back cover on. If we take a look at this back cover, we see there's that tab right there. What I'm going to do is kind of slide that tab in first like this. Slide that tab in first and then snap the back cover on. Slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.